in Joslyn, and I had my patrol car parked across the fast lane and the number 2 lane so traffic could move into the slower lanes because of the overturned truck. And the wind's pretty strong up here, and the empty truck came alongside of me. The wind caught it and turned it over on top of my patrol car. I saw it coming, so I ducked down in the seat, and the left side of the car stayed upright, so I was able to get out through the window. I'm fine. In fact, I was able to sit up in the seat on the left-hand side, so I saw it coming, so I was able to prepare for it.
Your unit looks pretty demolished.
Somebody out here said it looks like a lowrider.
Not too much. I had to get my seatbelt released because I was upside down, but got out